CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.2. Explain wireless networking technologies. Wi-Fi. When discussing wireless networks, the technology that most commonly comes to mind is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, short for wireless fidelity, is a technology that allows computing devices to connect to and communicate with other computing devices wirelessly. It enables the transmission of data over short distances using radio waves and is most commonly used in homes, small offices, and public spaces like cafes, airports, and campuses. Earlier in this course, we covered Wi-Fi connectivity, where we focused on how a device connects to a wireless network from the user's perspective. In this video segment, we are taking a step back to better understand what Wi-Fi actually is, how it functions at a higher level, and why it behaves the way it does. This foundational understanding will make troubleshooting and exam scenarios much easier to reason through. Wi-Fi communication begins when a device connects to a wireless access point, which acts as the bridge between the wireless device and a larger network. That connection takes place over specific radio frequency bands, most commonly the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and now 6 GHz bands. Each of these bands has different characteristics related to range, speed, and interference, which is why Wi-Fi performance can vary depending on environment and usage. Now that we have a working definition of Wi-Fi, we can move toward understanding how it is standardized. Since Wi-Fi was first introduced in 1997, it has evolved through multiple standards developed by the IEEE, or the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. The IEEE is a professional organization known for developing technical standards across many industries, including networking and telecommunications. Within the large collection of standards developed by the IEEE, the 802 family of standards focuses on local area networking, also known as LAN communications. From there, a specific subset of those standards applies to wireless networking. That subset is known as 802.11. The 802.11 standards define how Wi-Fi works, how devices communicate wirelessly, and how wireless local area networks, or WLANs, operate. With that foundation in place, the next video segment will focus on the individual 802.11 standards you need to recognize for the CompTIA A plus Core 1 certification exam, and how they differ in terms of performance, frequency use, and capabilities. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.